2024 Elantra N, sick-ass 4-cylinder turbo. The Hyundai N line is a pretty sweet ride. They have the Hyundai Veloster N line, which is pretty sweet too. Same exact engine, just this is a 4-door sedan. That one's a little bit more hatchy, but the N lines are the performance line from Hyundai, which is sick because it comes with a valved exhaust. It comes with an upgraded intake, I believe, and a little bit more horsepower, which is pretty sweet. So if you're looking for a reliable car like a Hyundai, but you want a little bit more sporty, go for the N line. The N line is a sweet setup. So today we're slapping a bolt-on kit on. It's sponsored to you by Borla Atak. All right, one of the best systems on the market, let alone best exhaust brands on the market. So if you have a Hyundai Elantra N line, Borla makes a really sweet kit for it. This is a more aggressive system. It's a Borla Atak. You got Matt removing the stock factory valve so we can pop it on this side. As you can see, the valve goes on right here, opens and closes. So it closes this side, goes in through the muffler. Then we have the high flow Y pipe that Berto's mocking up right now. And then it closes, so it funnels all into the one side of the muffler, so it quiets the exhaust down a little bit. Now this system does come with a full 3-inch upgrade. You can see all the 3-inch piping. Look at this factory nonsense. 2.5, garbage. Resonator, garbage. All these piping, trash immundo. So Matt's mocking up the valves, Berto's setting up the Y pipe. Now all Borla Atak systems come with high flow piping and Mendel bent, full stainless steel, 304, and with these cool ass baffles. All right, this is a Borla Atak technology baffle. Comes with all their systems. It's a 4-barrel chamber, like a double barrel shotgun stacked on top of each other. So 4-barrel shotgun, and it creates this pretty sweet sound, like a Borla Atak patented technology sound. And then continues with all the 3-inch piping to the stock bolt-on section right here, guys. So this is a catback, full 3-inch upgrade. This is a pretty sweet setup. And like I said, 3-inch Borla Atak baffle technology, high flow Y, and then you got the Borla Atak muffler on the side. Matt and Berto are actually mocking everything up right now. And like I said, just setting up that valve so you have the functionality. You hit that N button inside. I'm gonna drop it, show it to you guys. Let us know what you think. Do you think it's worth running a Borla system on this car? Or should we just straight pipe it, guys? Brand new 2024 Hyundai Elantra N line. As you can see, it's got a nitrous button, which is pretty sick. N and then N2. I'm not sure what that's all about. Like BMW style, you know, M1, M2. This one has N2, N1. So the interior is pretty well designed on this car. You get a whole new interior when you buy a brand new Elantra N line. You got the whole new dash. You got the cool nitrous button. You got the BMW shifter. I mean, this thing's pretty sweet and sounds badass with the Borla system, which, shout out to Borla, makes the best systems on the market. So you also get pretty sweet camera. You got drive modes. You got normal, sport, eco, which is awesome if you're trying to save some gas. Trying to drive normal and sport. Sounds sick. Hit N button and sport. You got racing seats, pretty pimp, and then a sunroof, you know? Pretty badass ride, man. Hyundai, you're definitely stepping it up. Got the Hyundai Elantra N with the Borla Atak system on it. Pretty damn sweet setup. I'm gonna take you around, show you guys the tips real quick, and you guys let us know what you think, how it sounds. The Hyundai Elantra N all wrapped up, got the Borla system on there, Borla Atak 8 Tech. Sounds pretty sweet. Got the black 5-inch tips on there. I think it looks damn good, man. Sounds great. I mean, you're getting about 15 horsepower from this catback, which is R&D and developed specifically for this car. Borla does a really good job of developing the right systems for the right cars and maximizing performance with scavenging the most amount of exhaust flow possible. So you guys saw what it looked like. Had the Borla Atak baffle in there, got the Borla Atak muffler. Still keeps the valve, which is pretty sweet. And in my opinion, probably the best system on the market for a car like this. It's a performance vehicle, trying to make some performance and keep the valves, which is pretty sweet. Not spend $2,000 on some other systems. the Borla is definitely where it's at. Also, we offer Borla on our website, so if you're looking for the best prices in all the World Wide Web, you shout out G Exhaust, look up gexhaust.com, type in the year, make, and model, and you can also reach out to us in Davie and Oakland Park. So if you're interested, you got Hyundai Elantra N, reach out to us. We got you guys.